What is up, everyone? Welcome to Lockpicking Central. I'm your host, JD, and today we're going to be going over some of the new stuff that I got, including how these work. Anybody know what these are? These are padlock shims. So we're using the clear padlock today to show you what exactly they do, and I thought I'd show you this new vise in action as well. But what I forgot to show you guys last time is this sweet new pick I got from Sparrow's Lock Picks. So it's very interesting. It has a little notch here. It also has a hump here that you could rake with, but it also has these two right here, which could kind of be used for either raking or single pin picking. It's very interesting. Plus it has a rad design. I mean, look at that. That's pretty badass, don't you think? It's got a dragon on there. It looks like a samurai in the woods. I mean, that's pretty cool. Tell me what you think about it down in the comments below. I think this is really cool. We're not going to be using this today. As I said, we're going to be doing these padlock shims. But I thought I would show this to you since I actually got this late the same day that this video, or the previous video, was already made. So let's go on and get away with this today. So this is my clear demonstration lock. It's not really a practice lock because it's just undeniably easy. So these go in here, you know, just normal regular lock, but it shows you everything. You got your driver pins here and your core pins are in there, and then you have this bar here. When you close it, as you can tell, these little notches right here on both sides. When you close it, that bar right there snaps into place. So what happens when you do this? Well, what happens is you take these right here, take this, slide it down in there, and what you're basically trying to do is get in between the bar and the lock itself. So you just keep sliding in there, slide it down there. Oh, look, we got the bar out of the way. Okay, so that one's set. So then we move on to the next one. Most padlocks, you have to do both sides. Some only has the locking bolt on one side. This particular practice lock or demonstration lock actually locks on both sides. Some have ball bearings, which are virtually impossible to do padlock shims on, but you don't really know unless you know the lock or until you try. So now we move on to the second one. So get it slid down in there. There we go. Push it down, slide it around. Got to get it past that bolt there, and then you just keep sliding it and pushing it and sliding it and pushing it like I am until, oh, this one slid out of place. Until you get it out of the way for it to pop open. Look at that. We got it open. So I hope that you guys could see that. That's pretty cool. So that's the padlock shims. Let's just quickly go over this. So this is kind of cool. So this obviously is just like a regular vise. You put your lock or whatever in there, but this is fully adjustable. So I have rubber. These actually have steel jaws on here, but I have these rubber pieces on here to protect my locks from getting damaged. Just clear lock I don't really care about. But so basically what I'm going to be doing is this. I'm going to be putting it in here like so, and then tighten it down just like that so you guys can see that. This thing right here, this little thing, actually has a suction on it, and when I push it closed, it doesn't go anywhere. I can actually pick up my whole table. So we just picked up the table there. But in addition to those cool features, say we're having a hard time getting this lock positions correctly, say the lock is positioned like this and you guys couldn't see it, well, I can actually unscrew this right here and tilt it and then screw it back on. So this is super adjustable. This is going to come in handy very often. Obviously we didn't really need it for this one because I needed it to kind of have the lock on its side. So instead of having it like that, it would be hard to put it in there like this and have you guys be able to see it. I figured it was just easier. It might be able to fit in that way, but I figured it was easier if I can maneuver it around and everything. So let's see how far this opens. I actually haven't opened it all the way. Holy crap. How much farther has this thing got? I think that's about it. Yep, that's it. So that's pretty wide. I'd say that's probably like 3 or 4 inches there. So I could put a lock in here this way. so that you guys could see it. So that's a nice feature. So like I said, this is going to come in handy a lot. I really hope you guys have been enjoying these videos. This has been a lot of fun playing around with these locks and getting new lock stuff. It's been a nice hobby. I think it's going to actually turn into a job when all this, you know, stuff that's going on happens to clear up. But I really hope you guys have been enjoying this. If you did, hit that like button, smash the subscribe button, post a comment down below, and as always, I'll catch you in the next video.